Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we'll be discussing about how to apply for the fully funded Erasmus Mundus WOP scholarships for session 2026-2028. So this is a 2 years master degree program. We'll show the full process for this. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And if you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. All the scholarships are posted here. And before posting, we verify them. The link for this Erasmus Mundus scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective descriptions. Also in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or kashmlook.com. Once you click on the link, it will take you to our website here and you can apply for this particular scholarship. So this is the Erasmus Mundus WOP-P program and it's funded by the European Union. Type of degree is masters and its duration is 2 years. Study location, it's multiple European countries. Deadline is 10th of May 2026 to apply. So we are the first on the YouTube to bring you this program. And financial benefits will be monthly stipend, participation and tuition fee, travel costs, accommodation and visa fees. Then other living expenses. And what will you gain? Study in multiple European countries and get a recognized global master's degree. This is open to all universities, all students, all countries, and you should previously hold a bachelor's degree in any of the following subjects and have good English language. And required documents is bachelor's degree, transcripts, CV, motivation letter, reference letter, proof of identity, English certificates. That's it. So in order to start application, scroll down here. You can see click at apply. Click on this link to start the application. Now, once you click on that, you can see the official WOP-P Masters in Work, Organizational and Personal Psychology. And you can see the description of the scholarship and you can see on the students section tab here on you can see applications and then you can see how to apply. So click on this how to apply here. Now, once you click on that, you can see applications must be submitted before 10th of May and you have to read these details first and you have to request the link for the application. So there is no direct link you have to request, it will be sent to your email only. So now in order to start the application, you have to click on this form here to get the link. So click on the form here, click on this link so that you receive the form. Now enter your email so that you receive the link. Click on ask for the inscription. Now you can see there has been sent an email with the access link for your new application. So let's open the Gmail now so that we can get the link. Now once you click on that, you can see dear applicant, this link will expire in 1 hour and this is the application link you should access. Click on this link here so that you can fill the application. Now you can see the application form in front of us. First you have to accept terms and conditions, then click on next. Then there's a welcome message, you can read that and now you have your personal details like first name, last name, and you have to enter the country of your nationality, then identification type, you have mentioned the passport, email and then phone number. Then you should also enter the country code and then your date of birth. This should be as per the passport and no mistakes will be accepted in this case. So you have to be clear about this while submitting the true identification document verification. Now once you submit the details, click on your gender, select the marital status and current postal address, then current city of residence and current country. So this should be same, which you can verify later. Now, do you have any disability? Mention yes and no accordingly. Have you applied before? Yes and no accordingly. How did you find about our program? So you can say social networks. After that, click on next. Then language, select English. Could you follow a class in Spanish? No. Portuguese? No. Click on next. Then official name of the degree in psychology. Any undergraduate degree in you have previously, you can say BSc psychology. Name of the university, you can mention that. And mean mark, so what is the average CGPA you have got, and rest details you can fill. After that, click on next. Now select the home universities. First we'll go the Barcelona, then Valencia and then Coimbra. Then next, and now commitment statements, agreed terms and conditions, click on next. Then approve the program partner details, click on next and click on next. Then referee details. So you have to give your referee details. Then you have to upload documents in PDF. First is the CV. So you have to so let me just submit one of the documents here. So I'll just submit this. Here I have submitted a PDF. Then upload a passport. Likewise, a recent photo of yourself. So for photograph, you have to submit PNG or JPG image. Then marks, you can say transcripts, and degree that you have achieved, like a bachelor's degree. After that, your motivation letter. Then document to verify the place of residence. Then click on next. After that, any comments you wish to add for the reviewer committee. Now you can see we have almost completed all the sections. You should verify the information before submission. So now we can click on send, and you can see both emails have to be different. Okay. Let's now click on end here and click on send. Now you can see accept the information, click on yes. You have to download this. Your application has been sent, and you can download the application information so that you can keep this for the reference purpose. And you can click on next, and you can check all the details. So that was the application part here, and that's it. Now you can also check email once they receive, or even if you don't receive any email, so you can just keep this PDF for the reference purpose. This only generates when your application has been submitted. So you can see it clearly mentions your application has been sent, and that's it. So any doubts you have, anything, you can just ask us in the comment section. So you might have question that we have not selected which subject you wish to submit, but you remember that we have the 3 options to submit, like Barcelona, Valencia. So you have to choose them, and they are the locations where there will be subjects which you will be offered, and once your application is reviewed. So instructions are given here. You can check all the PDFs related that, so that you have no doubts how to fill this application. Rest, any confusions, ask us in the comment section below. Write us on our website fullscholarships45 at the fullscholarships.net, or our email fullscholarships45@gmail.com, or on Instagram page full scholarships. Directly message our team, ask for the link or any question that you have. And that's it for today. I'm signing off for Full Scholarships. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Have a nice day ahead.